Hey, welcome to Larry's SOFFIT issue. Larry's got a house right here, and if I was to take an overview of it, here's the issue. Uh, right, right there. Oh, God, I hate this thing. It's so slow. Here it is right here. This is the issue. He's got a roof here and a roof plane here. You understand that this is a 5 and 12 pitch, and this is a 2 and 12 pitch, so it's not a 45-degree angle. And on both of these roofs, he actually has a soffit defined. Soffit box Steve. He has a box Steve, which is a flat soffit and default overhang. So let's take a look at the underside of this thing and see what's going on. And there's an issue here that Larry had. And this is the second time I'm doing this video. The first time it was a complete failure until I went to Taco Bell and ordered a couple of crispy tacos al fresco. And it came to me. The solution came to me. Here it is right here, and I've changed the materials of the soffit to brick and this other material so you can see what's happening. You can see that if you look closely, you can see that this soffit here, this brick soffit here, doesn't flow back into this soffit here. And why is that? That's because he's got this defined as tab U option soffits. He has it default to the overhang. Well, it's a 12-inch overhang or whatever it is. Well, don't default to the overhang. Change it to 30 or whatever it is, whatever you want it to be. And now watch what happens. Watch this soffit, tick, 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 tick. The soffit will now merge with the other soffit. In fact, I'm going to change from 30 to 18 to show you the difference. Watch this. It all melds together pretty. Yeah, see? Now it looks like a real good soffit. So now I'm going to change it to, instead of a 30-inch soffit, I think I blew it up. I'm going to make it an 18-inch soffit. I'm not sure what his overhang is. And now I think you're going to see that it doesn't quite meet that. The brown soffit. Watch this. Tick, 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 tick. Yeah, see, it stopped right there. It stopped right there. So you got to make the soffit bigger. So let's just, cancel. Oh, I messed up. Sorry. Shift J. Let's look at the soffit one more time, and let's change it. Oh, Larry, this plan is just so slow. I feel like I'm shooting myself in the head with this mess. So I'm not sure how big it, well, let's just see how big it should be. P, and I think it should go 30 inches. Is that 30? You think that's 30 inches? Maybe it's 36 inches. So I'm going to change this to a 36-inch tab U 36-inch soffit. I'm not defaulting into the overhang, 36. And now you're going to see it just melds in pretty darn good. Now, I'm not sure, I'm not even sure if I want to know how it affects everything else. Oh, fucking I can't. There it is. It's fixed. I mean, it's fixed, Larry. You got to change your soffit. Let's just see what happens here as far as this goes. Let's cut a section through here, see if it's really screwed up. Maybe it is. Maybe this is really screwed up. Yeah, see, the soffit goes back into this here, and maybe, I don't know, live with it. That's it's technically not correct. You can understand that, right? See, this soffit goes back into here, but it's going to be hidden by your ceiling, I guess, because I think you got a ceiling plane in here. If I come back here and I change this roof here to U options to default to overhang, which will be 12 inches of whatever your overhang is, you're going to see that this soffit right here does not go back into that. So it's sort of a fix. It fixes it on the outside visually, but the section might not be perfect. Yeah, see what happened. That's what happened. And now you actually got drywall here, Larry. So I think you need to go under options and I don't know why. Because you probably have this as defined as structure. Do I have a ceiling over? I don't know. How'd you build your ceiling, man? Structure, ceiling structure. I don't know. I don't know what you did. Why do I have a material on that thing right there? And what did you create a piece solid right there? Is that what you did, Larry? Come on, man. Come on, brother. You don't have a ceiling on this, do you? Well, I'm gonna give you a roof. I'm gonna give you a ceiling. I don't know what's gonna happen now. Check. Blech. Check that out. I just got rid of something. Well, I got my ceiling coming to this point here. I don't know why. And I don't know what this is, man. Did you put a ceiling, a soffit in there or something? I don't know. But you figure it out. But bottom line is, I think I fixed one. Oh, I hate this. What did you do? Did you have a ceiling in here, man? Did you put a ceiling in there? Did you put your own fake ceiling in there? Hang on a second. Escape. I think I want your ceiling to be at W right there. What's that elevation at? U. 97 1/16. So this ceiling needs to be at U. Rough ceiling. 97 1/8 or whatever it is. And so now I bet it gets fixed. Maybe. Yeah, see, that might mess up your soffit that I proposed. Yeah, see, now, and you must have put some kind of a ceiling in this thing, Larry. Let's take a look at this right here. I think you put a ceiling in here of some sort, a piece solid or something. I think that's what you did. Hang on a second. Hang on, mother. Oh, you put a ceiling plane in there. Oh. Well, I don't know why you put a ceiling plane. Maybe if you want a ceiling plane, you can put one in. I'm going to get rid of it, though. Yeah, I got rid of the ceiling plane. Yeah, I got rid of your ceiling plane. You dropped it down, but I think you do this right here. And now let's go back and now let's see if this causes a problem with your soffit. Remember, and that's what I was afraid of actually is that you change this. Since you were going to drop the ceiling down, this isn't going to matter. But if I don't want to default to the overhang, I want to make it 30 inches. I bet that soffit. Well, heck, you should just make your. Watch this. The soffit's going to come in. Oh, it didn't. Oh, it didn't come in, Larry. Check that out. Yeah. I mean, I'm using the soffit that I. In fact, if I shit, oh God, I just can't stand this when it takes so long to do this. Hang on a second. Let me see if I fix your. Let me see if I fixed your. Yeah, that thing's still fixed, and I made it a 30-inch soffit, but it's not being affected because I have a ceiling in here. You got what I'm saying? And now it's really, I want my ceiling W to be right at that level there. So if I come in here, U, cancel, W, the ceiling is right there. No, the ceiling is right there. Take this, U, 94 inches. That's where I want my ceiling at. Control C, cancel. Go back to here. U, ceiling at 94. Now it's all going to be hunky-dory. It's just a way of working it out. Watch this. Now the ceiling and the soffit's the same elevation, if that's what you want. If you don't want it, watch this. Oh. Well, that didn't work out very well, did it? Hang on a second. U. 94, cancel. Oh, I know what I did wrong. U. It's the absolute. I chose relative, but it should be absolute, 94. Now it's all gonna plane in. You got what I'm saying? It's all gonna plane in. And you just pick out wherever you want your ceiling. Great video. Thank you for the question, Larry. Watch this. Yep, there it is. And if you look at it underneath, anyway, you look at it underneath, and it should be hunky dory. Yeah, I guess that's hunky dory, huh? Oh, I don't think you have your beam shown or something. I guess you have a beam in there, so I don't see it. Screw it. You figure it out. But anyway, we got it worked out. Thanks, Larry, for the question. Nice question. Nice exercise. Thank you.